now we're going to do Karate Kid and River City Ransom. We're going to start with Karate Kid because I think that's a quicker, boring game, and River City Ransom looks good.
Yeah, LJN.
LJN.
The cursed publisher.
It's got a seal of approval, though.
No,
1987. It's a very good
year. This game, there's this, and then there's platforming, and then there's like a bunch of Jay from the Game Chasers is always streaming this game.
This one?
Yeah, him and his brother, they like, try to get the best times.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and beating it.
Don't you get to chop blocks or something too?
There's like a lot of stuff you gotta do.
It's so easy.
Yeah. I wish you karate was that easy.
That's what Brennan did. You ever see him do karate?
No.
He was so fast.
By the time I was old enough to see it, he was already done with all that crap. Remember when I did karate for like 2 weeks?
Yeah.
And I was like, I don't like being told to do it. I don't think I'm going to do it anyway.
There's the platformer part.
Yeah.
Hey, I did the crane. Did you see that?
You can do a couple moves.
No, the crane is the move.
You're supposed to jump over it.
What?
You're supposed to dodge
What?
it.
So this is Karate Kid 3 then.
I don't know.
This is Karate Kid 3.
If Karate Kid 1 did Karate Kid 3 come out. I don't think it came out. Wasn't Karate Kid 3 like 90s?
No.
Or when was the first?
Karate Kid was like
Karate Kid early 80s?
84 or 82.
I didn't even know there was a third one.
I could be wrong. I have an old man brain.
I don't really like the Karate Kid movies that much.
Oh, they're epic.
I haven't watched them in a while. I don't really remember the original.
They turned him into a retard though. The new ones.
Yeah.
They made him the bad guy. I don't like that. But then he made him I don't know.
They made him the bad guy? What do you mean?
For a little bit.
I don't think he's the bad guy in them.
Oh, I stopped watching it for the first season. So.
Yeah, I don't think he's the bad guy.
Oh. Well, then don't listen to me. I don't know.
Well, I don't know. I haven't watched Cobra Kai. I'm not that big of a Karate Kid fan. I remember the one with the girl.
Yeah, that was the worst one.
And I do remember the
How
first
do you get
one.
over that?
I do remember like the references. Like I know in Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles they do the wax on, wax off reference, and like I've seen the reference.
It was about sacrifice and reward, and you know.
I know the guy from Karate Kid.
What the heck?
He was in The Outsiders, and we watched that movie.
Yeah, that was his start. Okay.
I don't really like The Outsiders that much. It's okay.
Yeah, I never really got the fascination.
I don't get why people liked it so much. Like, the book was okay. It was
all right, River City Ransom, you're playing this one. River City Ransom. This was an expensive game.
That's still like $10 cheaper than what it goes for.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure. That's what I got it. It was actually a pretty good.
And this is from that game store.
Yeah, it was actually pretty good.
In Holly.
Pretty good price on it.
Or wherever. Rockport. Not right. It's not right.
It's like blue. What the heck?
Honey, I think our car is gonna get to like 80 miles an hour. Message speed.
To jump it to press both buttons.
Yeah, that's stupid. But once you get used to it.
Well, there's a lot of it that lets you do more attacks.
Yeah, because then you're not pushing up, which is even dumber.
Yeah.
That's why it's
I'd rather it be both buttons. Because
the thing is, everybody made it up like that last one, Karate Kid.
I hate up. The up jump is worse because at least both buttons, it's still the buttons.
Yeah.
So you can still use the D-pad to choose like your movement.
It's a button combination.
Yeah.
making you think more about it than an awkward movement. Especially when you're in a 2D platformer, well, semi-2D, whatever this is. Beat 'em up.
Yeah.
That's what you're doing too. You're just beating people up.
Yeah,
Taking their
that's
money.
why it's called beat 'em up.
Yeah.
Oh. The heck kind of crap is that? Listen, nerdy dude. Come on.
This is totally a rip-off of
Double Dragon.
Double Dragon.
Which one came out first?
Double Dragon. It was in the arcades in 83, 82.
Yeah, but I like River City Ransom. The controls are pretty good.
It's a completely different game, but there's a rip-off. Like, they made the same game, but they did their own development.
My favorite Double Dragon's the first one out of all of them.
Yeah.
The second one is... I don't really like it. Actually, the second one's not bad. It's the third one that I don't really like, because they made the sprites too big. That's the problem on the NES, is a lot of the later generation games, like the later ones, they tried to make them look too good, so they made the sprites huge, and they just didn't play as good.
It's like Goku when he's fallen. You know what I mean?
I hate how they can get like dust off to the left of you.
Yeah, and you're not hitting them.
Yeah. There's more of a story, like there's more stuff to do. That'll up my health.
Yeah. It's like a combo game. Kind of like a Final Fantasy, but not. Beat 'em up that you can get more powerful. Sushi bar.
So, that's fine.
Yeah.
Okay. Why did they make them run away from me? These guys are such wusses. They like hit me and then run away.
They have no scruples. Oh, mommy's home.
This seems pretty good. I could see, like, especially doing two-player, I could see trying to...
And the nice thing is, if we had another controller, I could jump in. Yeah. That's okay, I don't mind.
Oh, we do have another controller.
Oh, that's right, I got mine.
It's right there.
Is it plugged in?
No.
I'm too lazy.
Yeah, I'm too lazy.
It's okay.
You want to try? You can play it. Yeah.
I want to get your agility up.
Oh my goodness. We're almost done with the NES games, Dad.
Shh, don't say that. How do I get out of this? I just spent all your money.
Oh my god, press B. Okay. I got $1 left.
I'll go beat some guys up and get some more money. Made you tougher.
Spamming don't work because then you just jump up and down the whole time.
Come on, give me your money. It's so bad. And the funny thing is that that's kind of what's going on right now. Closer yard of the city, River City. I just threw the guy. Did you see that?
Yeah, that was cool.
I need my money. Come back here. I want to go buy a sushi dinner.
Barf. Do you see the talking?
Yeah.
I'll have them say crap and they die.
Barf.
I like how you can throw the weapons and stuff.
Why not just teeth out? Oh no.
No, that was like a ball or like a rock or something.
I
You just
blocked
threw
it.
it.
Did you see that? Stop running away. So they send you back here. This is your save point. You made $3. Let's get a coffee. Oh, she got you heating pad? Awesome.
Love you too.
How do I get out of here?
You keep going. I think you died before you made it to the next checkpoint. So you're stuck there.
I was at the boss. Or whatever that is.
Yeah.
Not a boss, but you know what.
Yeah.
I had to make your money back anyway. Not that we're going to keep playing it. Oh, I went in that thing. That's what it was.
You can keep going the regular way. That's cool. It's kind of like open worldy.
Yep. Before there was an open world. You could throw this stick in. Wish you could throw it and get the money. You'd have to run back there.
Men at work.
What?
That's what it says.
Oh, that's an old band from the 80s.
Oh!
I guess we're done. All right, well, that was River City Ransom and Karate Kid.